We all know AI is insanely hungry for power. But what if the only way to stop AI from breaking the grid was with more AI? It sounds like a sci-fi plot, but it's the real multi-billion-dollar strategy happening right now, and it's creating two parallel explosions in American energy. First, meet the new backbone, giant grid-scale batteries. We're installing them at a record-shattering pace. Operating capacity is up over 30% this year alone. Think of them as the grid's massive shock absorbers. Over half are built right next to solar farms, turning daytime sunshine into always-on power for nighttime or when clouds roll in. This isn't just about being green anymore. It's the only way to provide the reliable, on-demand power that AI data centers and our modern grid desperately need. But here's the twist. Building these batteries is only half the battle. Managing them is the real game. And that's where a second, smarter layer of AI comes in. A staggering 76% of energy execs are now planning to boost spending on AI tools. Why to make these billion-dollar battery investments pay off? New AI algorithms perform hyper-advanced real-time arbitrage, buying cheap power, storing it and selling it at the perfect moment. They're implementing smarter strategies that squeeze every ounce of value and performance out of every battery cell. So why should you care? This isn't just a utility company story. This AI-brain-plus-battery-muscle combo is what prevents blackouts during heat waves and keeps your bills stable. It's what allows us to add massive AI capabilities and more renewables without the grid collapsing. The focus on capital discipline means every new battery is optimized from day one. This efficiency is unlocking new financing models, making storage easier to build, and bringing the revolution to your neighborhood. The future grid isn't just powered by clean energy, it's managed by an intelligent, self-optimizing network. We're not just building a bigger grid, we're building a smarter, more resilient one. The race isn't just to produce power, but to intelligently control it. And that race is being won with a combination of raw storage and pure processing power. But what's more critical for our energy future? Building more capacity or getting smarter with what we have? Debate it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech and energy.